Hi everyone, welcome back to my mother's channel. Today we are gonna make this, which name I don't know, but my grandmother used to make this and my mother is putting this on YouTube for the first time. First we are gonna add 3 cups of sticky rice flour or beanie rice. Then we are gonna roast it for 10 to 15 minutes until it has a light brown color on medium low flame. The color should be like this. The flour is already roasted. Again I'm gonna turn off and roast it for 1 minute so that the flour becomes crispy and also so that it doesn't become burnt. After doing that, we are gonna transfer the flour into a large plate. And now we are gonna take the same pan and then we are gonna put 2 cups of chopped coconut. Then we are gonna roast it in low flames for 5 to 6 minutes. If you roast the coconut for so long, or you can roast the coconut for more time, then you can store that recipe which we are making out of the fridge for 1 month and nothing will happen to it. After roasting, add 2 cups of jaggery. Now let's cook the jaggery until it is melted. After melting the jaggery, we are going to transfer it to the roasted flour which we have already made. It is very hot, so we are mixing it with a spoon because we have to do this process when it's hot, not cold or warm. After mixing all of that, I think it is already cooled down, so my mother is checking if it is sticky or not. You can see that it's not sticking, so don't pour water or the taste will go. Instead we'll add more half cup jaggery. Even after that, if it's still not sticky, you can add another half cup jaggery melted though. It became an average room temperature and my mother's gonna make it more warm so that my mother needs it. If we need it in the room temperature, then we can shape it however we want. But if you don't need it, then if you don't need it in room temperature, the shape will not come. Now we are done kneading it for 8 to 10 minutes. After kneading, if it still has a room temperature, immediately you should make a shape, then it will be good. Then we are gonna in order to shape it and take it out, you have to take a bowl or any shape things, then you have to put paper on bottom, then you're gonna put that sweet flour, I'm gonna call that as example. So if you put that, you can just pull the paper and it will come out. And don't forget to press it. If you don't press it, it's not gonna come in the exact shape you want. It's gonna be destroyed. Ignore the fact that my mother has a cloth in her hand because while making this process or doing this process, her hand got cutted. So that's why she covered it with a cloth. You can see that my mother is doing quickly in a room temperature, so that's why whatever she's making, it's not getting destroyed. My mother has already made it all, and my mother also did it in a big shape if she wants. You have to try this. In YouTube, nobody ever made that. Only my mother made that, so you have to try this. This is my grandma's recipe. Thanks for watching, guys.